You're living the dream in your beautiful Karen or Runda home, spacious, modern, with all the comforts you've worked hard for. But then, the Kenya Power bill arrives, and it's a shocker. Why? Because Kenya Power loves your big home. Those sprawling living spaces, air conditioners, water heaters, and bright lights mean one thing: high electricity bills. And let's be honest, Kenya Power is thrilled to cash in on every kilowatt you use. Here's the deal: Karen and Runda homes are often large, energy-hungry, and perfect for Kenya Power's high tariffs. The more you consume, the more they charge, sometimes thousands of shillings a month. But what if you could turn the tables? What if you could slash or even eliminate those hefty bills? That's where PowerAfricaSolar.com comes in. By switching to solar power, you take control. Solar panels harness Kenya's abundant sunshine, free, clean, and limitless, to power your home. No more dreading the monthly bill or worrying about tariff hikes. With PowerAfricaSolar.com, you get top-quality solar systems tailored for your home, installed by experts who understand your needs. Imagine running your AC, geysers, and appliances without a second thought, all while saving big. Why choose PowerAfricaSolar.com? Because we're local, trusted, and committed to helping Karen and Runda homeowners live smarter. Our systems are affordable, reliable, and designed to cut your electricity costs to zero. Remember, it's your home, your power, your savings. Don't let Kenya Power keep loving your big bills. Take the first step today. Call us at 0792-247-397 or email info@PowerAfricaSolar.com for a quick solar installation quote. Visit PowerAfricaSolar.com and join the solar revolution. Power your home, save your money, and show Kenya Power who's boss.